To Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. This is MSV 80. It have a connections if you want to swap the computer or read it. If you are using, I try to use VVDI, it is not working. I try to use Hexprog. Hexprog have a lot of like a different way. The connection, I connect it here as you see, but it's still, when I open it, it's still has, you have to open. Yes, my brother. Okay, when I try to do it with Hexprog, I'm not able to do it, and the reason why, let me show you. This is Hexprog. It say that I have to open. Okay, here is MSV 80 here. There is an option by OBD. Here is MSV 80. When you look at the wiring, let me show you the wiring. Here is the wiring. It say you have to connect those wire, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wire. Okay, we're gonna say yes, but you still have to open it, and then you have to do this. You see here, you have to do, like, you have to connect some resistance. You understand? Like one resistor here in the bottom, TJA105 or MCP. Maybe you have to take it out, and also the 22K and 2.2 kilo, and also here maybe you have to shock coil L. Maybe you have to remove it or something, and that's too much. Maybe you need to have, if you have the CAS and the junction box or the BCM, you can connect it and read it with OBD. That's what I'm going to look for this in the future. Other than that, I will put this one back in the car, try to read the ISN, write it into the CAS and program it and reset the transmission. If you have any other idea or other tools that can read this one correctly, please let us know. This one here, I'm not able to do it. Please subscribe, share, and like, and see you in another video. If there is a diagram for this, how to do it with this, please let us know. Thank you.